Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. Today I'm gonna undecorate my Christmas tree. Nothing life-changing. Everything is just gonna go in these storage boxes right here. And I also have a Christmas tree bag that my Christmas tree will go in. So thanks so much for being here and let's get started. Could I taste them for
I want to take a moment and introduce myself. My name is Mary Lou. I am a wife and a mama of 3 littles, ages 4 and under. I enjoy bringing you along with me in life here on YouTube. Usually it's the everyday tasks like cleaning and picking up around my house, but I also like to make videos about special stuff we do sometimes as well. For our Christmas tree this year, I was way too tired to even care, but I know I wanted to make sure the kids had a tree, so my husband put it up for us, and I literally let the kids do all the decorating. They had a blast, and I think they did a great job. Most of my ornaments are not breakable because, well, we've broken most of the breakable ones. But there are a few scragglers here and there, and you will see a casualty that I have to vacuum up here in a moment. I did want to chat New Year's goals in this video with you guys. I'm trying to make my goals as attainable as possible for me. And one of my goals is to become monetized here on YouTube. I will aim to do that by posting a video at least once a week. So if you enjoy homekeeping motivational videos, click that subscribe button so you will be notified every time I upload.
Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. Just a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy, 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 yeah. Darling Palooza. under my tattoos. There's a remedy, remedy, remedy. Yeah, and the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, remedy, remedy. Yeah, yeah. There's a remedy, remedy. Yeah. Oh no, darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that, darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. There's a remedy, remedy. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that, darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. There's no remedy, remedy, yeah. It was a Thursday night when I first saw you. Those green eyes caught me. Yeah, it was crazy. It was a Friday night when I first kissed
My mission
you.
with my YouTube channel is to help me stay accountable to my responsibilities, mainly related to cleaning and chores, but in turn, I hope it motivates you as well. I'm real big on my music with videos. I want the music to be upbeat and energizing, so that's always something you can count on.
Call my name, and I will come running, yeah, every day. 24/7, yeah, every day. I will come running, babe. Every day. Yeah, every day. Babe, used to be scared of letting someone get close without the filters, but you see the real me. Since I let you in under my skin, I'm more free than I have ever been. You broke my chains and released me, and days turned into nights on the couch in your apartment. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed. Every day, 24/7, you call.
I love to reuse ribbon if possible with any craft project, so I'm just going to roll up this ribbon and set it in the bin to be reused again next year for next Christmas or maybe some other decorating or craft idea.
Every day. Yeah, every day. Babe. And days turned into nights on the couch. No, I'm not the same. Everything has changed. Every day. 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running, yeah, every day. 24/7, yeah, every day. I will come running, babe. Every day. Yeah, every day. Babe.
I also decided to have a word for the year, and that is content. I want to be content in every area of my life. Not to be lazy and have an excuse to not progress or get better, but to be content in the moment with what I have and pursuing growth for noble or righteous reasons and not for vanity or selfish reasons. Let me know in the comments if you have any goals for the new year or a word for 2024.
those faces. I've heard all the lies, but you ain't gazing on someone in denial. 'Cause you want dollar bills right now, but you gotta work real hard. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I said, see it in your mind, trust that, have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too. If not says who, yeah, you can make it too. If not says who, you can make it. You had great patience, but something knocked you out. You felt your limitations and filled your mind with doubt. You wanna stay chill.
Not all of the lights work on this Christmas tree, so I usually have to add about 2 to 3 strings of lights. I was just gonna leave them on the tree, but they started to come off fairly easily, so I just end up taking them down too.
See it in your mind, trust that, have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too. If not says who, yeah, you can make it too. If not says who, you can make it. And I said, see it in your mind, trust that, have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too. If not says who, yeah, you can make it too. If not says who, you can make it. If not says who, yeah, you can make it too. If not says who, you can make it.
These Christmas tree sections are so heavy and I dread taking them down, but I definitely don't want my husband to have to do it after a long day of work. So if I can just make them to the bag and zip it up, that'll do, and then he'll get them to the attic. hope this video is motivating for you. I really appreciate you being here. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.